She's a lonely girl, lost in the world, got love in her eyes for me. She's a sweet young thing, brings me dreams in a box she made for me. Lonesome sundown, this is gonna be hard. It's a lonesome sundown, this is gonna be hard. I know, so don't let go, this is gonna be hard. I'll never let you down. This love I found, it means too much to me. And I stand accused outside the law, but you are all I need. Lonesome sundown, this is gonna be hard. It's a lonesome sundown, this is gonna be hard. I know, so don't let go, this is gonna be hard. Redemption comes to those who wait. Forgiveness is the key. And I wish you love, and I wish you hope. Please believe in me. Lonesome sundown, this is gonna be hard. It's a lonesome sundown, this is gonna be hard. I know, so don't let go, this is gonna be hard.
Hey there, folks. It's going to be a guitar lesson for Lonesome Sundown by Tom Petty. This is off his Echo album. It's a great track. Let's just get right into the lesson. Of course, a very sad song, but nevertheless, I have the guitar in standard tuning. I'm not using a capo. Let me just give you the chords. I'll show you how I did the introduction if you want. It's a piano introduction, so I did a little guitar arrangement. But let me just give you all the chords, and we'll do that at the end because it's the same chords. Just different voicing. We're going to start with an A. This is the verse, the introduction, everything. A to an E, F sharp minor. I'm going to play that bar on the 2nd fret. To a C sharp minor. I'm going to play that bar on the 4th fret. To a D, back to A, and then you're going to do E, A, D. And that's it. That's most of the song. So again, it's going to be A. I'll do it slow. A, E, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, D, back to A. Now we do the E, A, D. Now we do the middle part. Lonesome sundown. I'm going to do an E minor 7th. I'm going to add 2nd string 3rd fret to my E minor. This is gonna be hard. To an A. Back to E minor 7th. This is gonna be hard. That's a C sharp minor again. I know. A. So don't. C sharp minor. back to A.
This is gonna be hard.
All right, so what I'm doing there is a B, but I'm doing kind of the Tom Petty B, the way he loves to play it, which is kind of tricky for me. I don't usually play it this way, but you're going to leave the high E and the high B strings ringing out. Tom and Mike have spoke many times. They love to play chords with the open strings. So we've got this B chord, just like free falling. We've got this B chord ringing out, and then we're going to go to an A sus2, and we're going to again ring out the high E and the A. And then you go back to that B. I guess it's a B sus2, but whatever. And then you're back to the E, A, D, and then you're back. So it's an A, E, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, D, A, E, A, D, and then the middle part again, E minor 7 to an A, E minor 7 to a C sharp minor to A, to C sharp minor to A. This is gonna be now that B with the open strings, A, sus2, back to the B, and then E, A, D. And that's it, folks. It's a beautiful progression, lovely song. If you, the way I played the intro, just to change it up a little bit, I voiced the A up the E. What do we got? To 9th fret. Sorry. 7, I got to count them, 9. So we got the A there. So I'm playing a D shape at the 9th fret. And then I'm going to play at the 7th fret an E. And then I'm going to play the F sharp minor at the 9th fret. And then same shape down to the 4th fret, which would be the C sharp minor. Then I'll play a D at the 5th fret. I'm just playing the bottom 3 strings, I should say, pretty much. D, then A at the 5th fret, and then I go into the E, A, D. So again, one last time. So at the 9th fret, 7th fret, back to 9th fret, the minor shape, then on the 4th fret, then a D at the 5th fret, A at the 5th fret, you didn't want that open, then E, A, D. That's it, folks. That is Tom's very sad song, Lonesome Sundown. A beautiful track, though, and it's on the Echo album. Thank you, folks, for watching. I really appreciate all your support. I'll see you all soon with another lesson. Take care.